name's Gulley, and 45 years ago I started to do some research about my father's racing career and his partnership with his friend. We've been wanting to put together a race team like my father wanted to go to Indy, and we're looking for the good partnership. If we put together the proper team, being a first team to go through the IRL and the Indy, you're talking about $30 million. This message is for those who may be sitting in some other country. They may be right down the street with Armor Eckridge. They may be in a high-rise in some major city. Or you may be one of those who just wants to be part of the Gulley Special. We know that we need the proper equipment and we need the proper money. That's what this message is about.